Hello and welcome to Tata's classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from quantitative aptitude. Quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most easiest also as it doesn't contain any conceptual complexity. It only requires your computational and numerical skills to solve such questions, and people usually score high in this portion, and this helps them to increase their total marks in any exam. So let's see what is in this question. So the first two questions are from this graphical representation, and we have another one question which is separate from this graph. In this graph we are given percentage profit over different years from 2011 to 2016 for company A and company B. Percentage profit is equals to income minus expenditure divided by expenditure into 100, and we need to find that what is the average percent profit earned by company B over all the year together. Now the average percentage profit earned by company B over the years is average percentage profit earned by company B over the years is equals to 40 plus 45, again 40, then 35, then 30, and lastly 45 divided by 6. So we have 235 in the numerator, and if we divide it by 6, then we get 39 and a 1/6%. Therefore 5 is the correct answer. Now come to the next one. In which of the following years is the ratio of expenditure to income of company B the greatest? Ratio of expenditure to income is the greatest when percentage profit is minimum. Ratio of expenditure to income is the greatest when percentage profit is minimum. Hence, in 2015, the ratio is greatest. As we can see from the graph that the percentage profit for 2015, it is the lowest for company B, which is 30%. Therefore, we can say that in the year 2015 the ratio is greatest. Okay, now come to the next one. In this question we are asked that a finance company declares that at a certain compound interest rate a sum of money deposited by anyone will become 8 times in the 3 years. If the same amount is deposited at the same compound rate of interest, then in how many years will it become 16 times? Given that 8p is equals to p multiplied by 1 plus r divided by 100 whole to the power 3. This is the formula for compound interest, where p is equals to principal amount R is equals to compound interest rate. This implies R is equals to 100%. Let the time in which the principal amount becomes 16%, 16 times be n. The principal amount becomes 16 times Pn. Okay, then we can say that 16p is equals to p multiplied by 1 plus 100 divided by 100 whole to the power n. This implies that 16 is equals to 2 to the power n. Therefore 2 to the power 4 equals to 2 to the power n, and this implies n is equals to 4. Okay, so the correct answer is 4 here, that is option 2. So we have solved the 3 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, you can join our classes. To join our classes, you can WhatsApp us at 9836793076 or 9874822756, or you just can check our website for further details, which is www.sarvaswasclasses.com. Okay, thank you very much.